So let's talk about our favorite coin, ICP. ICP is sitting at $4.77 right now. And I have covered ICP pretty recently. Let me go and find it out. When was the last time we talked about it? Meanwhile, in the comments, you can let me know that what do you think would be the price of ICP in the year of 2025 as the peak price. Last time we talked about this thing on 5th of May, damn it, and today is 8th of May. So just 3 days ago, it was sitting at 4.58, which is a middle area, and our target is $5 and our support was at 4.2. Now, when a coin is in the middle, that is where I suggest not to buy it. I always say if you want to short it from there. If you want to buy it from here. But don't participate when it is in the middle. Right now, it is making its attempt of going towards the area of our first target of $5. That is in action. So far, it is a bit far away from it. But in terms of structure, I don't see any kind of crazy structures on ICP. The double top is rather more clean instead of the bottoms. They are not clean. I don't see clean structures. I can force a double bottom over there and say that okay, it has developed a double bottom, but the structure is not clean. So on this basis of structures, we cannot conclude that okay, ICP is forming a bullish structure and that is going to further help us with any form of upward direction. But from the perspective of a trend line, we can actually do that. So if you draw a trend line on ICP, right now it is showing a breakout of downward trend. So ICP was under this downward trend and finally now it is showing a breakout. So when it comes to trend line, we are seeing one candle. If we see another candle close to this price of 4.7, that would confirm that it's a breakout trend and it is going to go first hit the $5, and then over there I'm going to see, is it going to drop back towards 4.2 or is it going to conquer $5? Now the conquering is always, as always is, you need 2 daily closings above the area of $5. Then we can say okay, $5 is captured, and then we can start talking about the next target of $5.6. After 5.6, things will get aggressive and they will get more bullish. But as 5.6 was the bottom of 2024, this was the lowest, but ICP went ahead and created new lows this year. So it is going to go up in bits and pieces. And there's nothing else to add. As long as it continues to hold this area of 4.7, our first target is 5, and then I'll come back and talk about it. But if it loses the 4.7, then it is going to drop towards the area of 4.2. It is still kind of in a middle area. I wouldn't recommend you to buy it now. I would let it go towards 4.2 if I'm so much in love with it and buy it there. But jumping here is not a good decision. But if you're already invested, then good luck with your journey towards $5. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good and you should know better what is good for you.